Welcome to this exciting video where we're going to dive into the magic of managing emails with our awesome OpenCart extension. Get ready to learn how to effortlessly remove selective emails from your CRON bucket list in bulk, all based on your chosen email group. Imagine this scenario: you've got a fantastic newsletter ready to roll out to your valued customers. But wait, you don't want your loyal iPhone buyers to receive it. No worries, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to show you a super smooth way to achieve exactly that. So, let's jump in and explore how you can wield the power of our extension to fine-tune your email campaigns like a pro. Join us as we walk through the simple steps to ensure that your newsletters reach the right audience without breaking a sweat. Ready? Awesome! Let's make managing your email lists a breeze and take your campaigns to the next level. Watch and learn as we guide you through this fantastic feature. Let's get started. Before we dive into the action, make sure you've got your CRON bucket mode enabled. Once that's set, let's head over to the Send Email page, where the magic happens. Here's what you need to do: select your amazing newsletter and pick your target audience. In our example, we're choosing the ever-reliable All Customers. Now, the moment of truth: hit that exciting Send button. Hold on, we're not done yet. We're not sending those emails just yet. Instead, we're crafting a master plan. The emails you've selected are going to be composed and neatly tucked away into the CRON bucket list. Exciting, right? This is where the real power of our extension comes into play. So, buckle up, because you're about to see how easy and efficient email management can be. Let's do this. Let's dive into creating a brand new email group that's tailor-made just for you. Here's how it's done. Step 1, head over to the email groups page. It's your hub for all things email organization. Exciting, right? Step 2, spot that inviting Create Email Group button and give it a satisfying click. Now, let's give this group a name that resonates with its purpose. Let's call it Existing iPhone Buyers. Step 3, take a breath and refresh the page. Now, head over to the Tools tab. That's where the real magic happens. Here, you're about to import your existing iPhone buyer email addresses into your new group. We've got 2 buyers ready to roll. As you refresh the page, you'll witness the transformation: 2 email addresses added to your brand new group. Time for the grand finale. Let's head to the CRON bucket list page, where the action's happening. Guess what? Your emails are all set to go, even the ones for iPhone buyers. But wait, we're about to do some tweaks. Step 1, on the CRON bucket list page, you'll see your ready-to-send emails, all lined up and ready to shine. Step 2, let's say goodbye to the iPhone buyer email addresses. How? Easy, pick the email group from the drop-down, like Existing iPhone Buyers. Step 3, ready for the magic touch? Click Remove, and just like that, the iPhone buyer emails vanish from the list. Now, your CRON bucket emails are raring to go, minus the iPhone buyers. You're steering the ship, and your campaigns are getting even smarter. Brace yourself for awesome email management. A couple of clicks, a world of difference. Let's rock those campaigns.